Hi, I'm Steve Miller. Call me Slim. Many of you have seen me for the past 3 years doing a daily show. And thanks to so many of you who sent me great emails, and especially the incredible number of signups that I have for information for when the new site does launch. I want to tell you about some of the things that are coming in the next few weeks. This is a membership site, but it's going to be very, very affordable. And in the membership will be many of the segments that you've liked in the past, liked a lot as far as your surveys have come, and especially in the area of trading psychology. Incredible number of people that have really enjoyed those segments. There's also going to be a Friday show, very similar to what I've done in the past. It's going to be called the Ask Slim Market Week, which is a review of the last week and is going to have some of the segments that you've liked before also, especially the short-term view of the coming week, which everybody has really told me they love also. I want to take a look at what's coming here, give you some kind of an idea of the segments that are coming. First thing, of course, well, trader psychology. There'll be some great segments coming in there. Planning early on to do some of the favorite segments in the area of emotional intelligence and fear in trading. I think it's really good segments that we're going to start out with there in the site. And of course, there's tools for techs. That's the old tech tools. I've renamed some of the things here, and I think that will be pretty much what you've seen before, and a lot of great things coming as far as how to analyze the market using the technical side of the market. Also, we're going to have futures speak. We'll call it a little differently than we did before. We're going to add in the grains. So we're expanding that because I've got more time. So we're going to do a whole review of futures every single week, updated, of course, weekly on Wednesdays. That's going to stay pretty much as it's been before. Then there is, for the Friday show, market drivers. That's going to be what we've seen in the past on the daily show. Is going to be more of a week in review. Take a look at what's been moving the markets over the last week. The stock sectors, well, we know what that is. We're going to look at different groups of stocks. And yep, I'm going to have a chance to do my own ranting here as I do my best to get the messages out there about the damage that the Federal Reserve and central banks around the world are doing. So get to have a little bigger voice right now. And that short-term view of the market, that's what you've seen every single Friday. So we'll be bringing that back, and that is a public-facing show that'll be free. And we'll look at what's trending in the markets. You'll be able to take advantage of momentum. And that's what really that segment is market momentum. We're going to look at your emails and tweets and bring those on Friday also. And we're going to do some new things. We're going to take a look at your IRA MO and be focusing on some of the strategies that are better for IRAs. We're going to do a quant meets tech down the road when I line up some option experts, and so that's down the ways, but maybe we can get Al Sherbin to come in again, and he's written a new book, so we'll get him in to talk about his book and talk a little bit about combining the quantitative and technical aspects of the market. And then we'll be bringing in some market pros again down the road as I get a little more settled in the studio and get a little more comfortable here. And there's that future speak again. Reason I brought that one back was, well, we have had a lot of questions about the gold markets. I've gotten a lot of them this week as gold has had a pretty good pullback, and I want to look at those gold charts right now, gold and silver, in a little peek of the future speak right now. So take a look now at the gold chart, bring that up for you to see, and there it is. You can see, as I had before, the gold weekly on the left and the daily chart on the right. I'm going to take a look here at the weekly chart, and you will see that there is a pretty nice green zone in there that it has been staying in, and yeah, it's rolled over a little bit, but as long as it stays up above this, well, let's call it 1163 to 5 number, that's still okay. So not a lot of danger in there. And when I look at the daily chart, you'll see here that this chart has a little bit more to go, maybe another week to go sideways in there. We'll call it choppy for gold still. Here's that silver chart. The weekly looks a lot like gold does. And this is a support area. You could see a little bull wedge being built in here, and we're getting now down to where that looks like it's going to be a support area. And if you look at this cycle pattern right here, what that essentially says is that, well, we've got this going on, and then pretty soon we'll be in this rising area, and it should be getting a nice lift again. So wanted to share with you what the gold and silver charts have looked like, because I've had lots of questions about it. So there's a little teaser for you about the kind of things we'll be doing on Futures Review. Remember, if you like my analysis and you like my charts, those of you that are on TOS, well, part of the membership, you'll be able to get all of my charts with all of the analysis right to use on your website. So again, that's all just a few weeks away. Along the way, I'll be sending some surprises out your way, and those will be, little things I see in the market, little videos that I send just to stay in touch with you. Of course, I still want to get all your emails, so keep them coming, and I would look forward to sending you responses as we stay in touch while the website gets built. So it's been great, really working hard here to get it up, and I'll be talking to you soon. And of course, I'm wishing you great trading.